Hello everyone, we're going to start the lab 47 and that's totally about the system monitoring by using remote execution. This is a tool we are going to use, remote execution. It's a remote EXEC and the tool simply remotely installs the application, executed the program scripts and updates the files or folder on the Windows system throughout the network. We are talking about here internal network. So in case we have the multiple machine in the intra-network, so what we can do, we can install this tool in a particular machine and we can execute any file remotely in intranet. So after gaining access, attacker remotely execute the application on the target machine, and these applications may include your spyware, your malwares, downloaders, adware, and so on, that enable the attacker to sniff out the sensitive information, your credentials, and cause damage to the target. So attacker can use the applications such as remote EXEC where they simply need to specify the .msi path is for application and action to take. It install, uninstall, repair, or what. And select the target computer and launch that deployment in a click. And similarly, system and the security admin can use these applications to perform their day-to-day task, whatever. In case they want to get analyzed on a particular system, they just want to analyze a network, so they can use this application to execute exe file or to monitor the system or the network, right? So first our work is to search the tool on Google, right? So we have two machines here, so we'll use this machine, this operating system, Windows 8.1, as attacker machine, and we will launch the exe file in this machine, right? So this is all about, and you can see here we are using here Windows 7. You can see, so this is the targeted machine we are going to target, or you can say this is a victim machine, right? And this is the attacker machine. So first we are going to check the tool. So we'll search here, download remote EXEC. Here we go. The first link is all about the remote execution enterprise wide remote installation. It's enterprise wide remote installation, updates, and executions, right? Remote EXEC remotely install application, execute program, script, and update file folder on the Windows system throughout the network. This is the option to download the free trial, so we can check the features. Here we go. It's MSI package deployment, right? And you can see here some screenshots and all. So you need simply to specify the MSI path and action to take install, uninstall, and all. And this is remote execution. It's allowed remote execution to program like example .bat, .cmd script, VBS, and all. Then we have the service pack patches and update deployment. Then registry modification we can do with. It's all about the remotely access. Whatever you want to do, you can do. File operation, copy, delete, and file password in the local account management. Important one, the remote exe allow remotely changing the local admin password and disabling all other local accounts in order to reinforce the security. The interaction with the remote system, scheduling with the process and all, and you can maintain a report also. So once an execution is finished, the remote exe automatically generate a list of systems on which the execution fails, if any. Then list can be directly inserted to return the execution and complete the task. It also collects and displays the remote return codes generated by the remote process, allowing the admin to check system status. Right? Then we have user alerts, and it's all about. Right? So some benefits, and also we can, here we go, significantly speed up and reduce the working for updating in Windows system, react instantly in the face of emergency situation, eliminate all disruptive intervention during the working hours, get a single point of remote deployment and execution. Right. These are some benefits. So we can download from, right, remote exe 5.03. So as we have downloaded for you already, so we are going to install the application now. Here we go. We are going to install this. Yes. Okay. Next. I accept, and then next. Okay. Next. And then finally install. Here we go. Finish. Okay. We can check what kind of error we are getting trying to execute again. Otherwise we have to download the new version. Here we go. Okay. No, it's not working. So I'm going to download the new one. Here we go. You have to fill the detail. So I'm giving my detail. Info solutions part limited, CTO India, and then 1111 lab dot demos demonstration @gmail.com. Here we go. To open the Gmail account, so as you can see here, we got the mail. It's 15 days full trial edition. It's taking time. So we can download. It's all about 20 MB to download. So here we go, we have downloaded. I'm going to install this. Yes. Asking for restart, but check with. Here we go, it's working. It's version 5.03. Now you can see here the multiple things. Remote jobs allow you to configure, manage, and remote executing remote jobs. Then reporter, scheduler, and options we have. So our first work is to start with the remote jobs. Then new remote job or my remote jobs when you have executed some actions in my target computer. So new remote job, file execution and all. So we are looking for file execution. I'm going to show you to execute a file. So here you have to give the file directory and then you start it work. Upload the file. Then you can upload any file, like we are just uploading the first.exe. Then the context will be administrative. That should be auto. And then we can detail the OS version, label, or these are the things you want to give. So can give Windows 7. OS level is workstation. Then we can think about the target computer. So we have to give first the detail of the target computer. So to get the detail, we have to switch on the machine. This is target machine. So in control panel, see here the detail of the system. There we go. This is the computer name. So we have to type this. So it's Win. We type here. Then Okay, then it's a computer. Okay, right, then you have to launch file. You can see it's connecting, so we are going to check it out. Or restart. So we are going to check it out on the victim machine. The file we have executed is working or not. Right click, we're checking on the task manager. Rufus.exe. Let me check with. Again, we are going to start it. Here we go, we are going to execute again to check it out. So this is the file we have executed remotely. Rufus 2.5. Right. So this is the tool. You have to give the name, you have to give the workstation or the server detail, right? That I'm telling you, that should be in the same domain. The main part that whatever you just want to execute on a particular system, that system should be in the same domain. Then only we can execute the remote file, right? The same workstation we need, then we can execute the file or whatever we want to do, we can do it. In the real time, an attacker can execute Trojan also remotely from his or her machine, and you can gain the control over the target machine. So this is all about your lab, right? We have done 47, so system monitoring by using the remote execution, right? Thank you.